the science guy. Bill Nye, the science guy. Bill Nye, the science guy.
Science is cool as
Bill Nye, the science guy.
Inertia is a word with 7 letters.
Bill.
Bill Nye, the science guy. This is the future. Bill Nye, the science guy.
Did you know that every living creature needs a healthy combination of vitamins to exist? In fact, we need a whole... In this episode, we'll be learning about the vitamins in your vegetables. But most importantly, in your fruits and orange juice. Vitamin C is so important for our bodies that if we don't consume enough,
You'll get scurvy.
fortunately, in the USA, we have plenty of ways to consume vitamin C in our diets. Here, follow me. So, the question is, in which orange juice are you getting the most vitamin C? And in which orange juice are you getting the most bang for your buck? One more time, Bob, and you're fired. These 5 orange juices of science are going to be put to the test in today's nifty
Science experiments.
Here we have the titration apparatus of science. In this bouquet, we have 41 milliliters of diluted iodine solution, which reacts with the solution below, vitamin C,
Until
Look at that! The color change symbolizes that the vitamin C has been oxidized. We can take a peek at the level of iodine in the bouquet to calculate how much vitamin C is in the control. Remember that for later. Topaganda claims it's the #1 orange juice. Let's put that to the test. Here I am measuring out 20 milliliters of orange juice. For the iodine to oxidize, we're going to need 10 drops of this starch solution. And we're ready to go. But before we start this experiment, join me for a quick
consider the following.
How can pouring iodine into orange juice let us know the vitamin C content in each sample?
The answer is within the 10 drops of starch we added.
The iodine eats the vitamin C and turns it into dehydrosorbic acid. Once all the vitamin C has been attacked by the iodine, then the starch reacts with the iodine to turn a blackish blue color. The more milliliters of iodine it takes to change the color of the orange juice sample, the more vitamin C is in the sample. The control tested earlier in the video serves as a baseline. The control contained 250 milligrams of pure vitamin C, and it took 28.3 milliliters of iodine to change colors. We can use this ratio to calculate the amount of vitamin C in each sample of each brand we test of orange juice. Let's take a quick close-up on what's really going on in this experiment. Here we have vitamin C molecules, also known as ascorbic acid. Before we start the experiment, we add the starch. Just add a couple little molecules there. And the starch is necessary for the color change. But before we can get to that, we have to add the iodine. As we start to add the iodine immediately starts bonding with the ascorbic acid. Once one iodine has bonded with an ascorbic acid, it becomes dehydrosorbic acid. So this is no longer ascorbic acid. It's dihydroascorbic acid. And the iodine continues to bond with all of the ascorbic acids until they're all gone and there's no more ascorbic acid or vitamin C in the substance. And that is when the iodine starts bonding with the starch. When the iodine bonds with the starch, it turns a blackish blue color, which is how we know, which is the indicator for when there's no more vitamin C in the solution. And after doing calculations, we can calculate the amount of vitamin C in each solution.
These 5 orange juices of science battled for the title of most vitamin C. Let's see which came out victorious. I compiled a scientific graph of science using this equation. Are you ready for the final results? With Florida's Natural in the lead for most vitamin C and Minute Maid the least, be sure to check out Florida's Natural next time you're at the grocery store, and maybe you'll just avoid getting scurvy. Again, this is the official Bill Nye the Science Guy. Tune in next time for the sublimation of mothballs. Until then, peace out.